Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily delete a post in the Instagram app. Please subscribe to our channel, be sure to write your comments at the end of the video, and also don't forget to put your likes. Friends, let's get to our topic. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Next, you will need to go to your profile. To do this, click on your image at the bottom. Once you go to your profile, select the photos that you would like to delete. Next, at the top of the photo, on the right side you will click three dots. And at the bottom, you'll find Delete. Click it. Next, you will need to confirm your action. And so, in a matter of seconds, the post will be deleted completely from your page. It's not archived, it's completely deleted. You don't have to worry about that. This is the very way, friends, you can easily delete absolutely any post on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.